Hey everybody, and welcome to Hodl and Shill. Today is day 38, I believe, of our Bitsgap follow along. It might be 37. Either way, this is part 2, and the reason that I'm doing this is because today earlier we started a FTM 3S based on our profits, and I'm going to change things up here. So I wanted to do it together. So this is just consider this like a part 2 to our today's earlier video. So I'm going to close this out because I started this. It's only down $3, but we made $60, I think it was, overall on this this bot, the FTM 3S. However, I think that FTM is looking rather bullish, so I want to cancel this out. I just want to show you guys before I do it. We are down from our initial funds 4.6%. So obviously we're up 6% in FTM 3S, but that doesn't really matter. The $3.46 is of our initial profit is what we've lost, and it's not really that big of a deal considering we were in profit. I just want to close this out because I want to free up that capital. And I think that FTM is going to run. So I'm going to go ahead and cancel all orders and sell at the market price and hit confirm. And that way we can preserve our capital. It never hurts to preserve capital, and it never hurts to take profit. So very happy with the results that we had there. I will show you guys here in a minute with, okay, so that's done. And just to show you, just in case you hadn't seen part 1, we took profit here at our FTM 3S, and so we had $61 in profit over 11 days. Very happy with that overall. So right now you can take that $4 that we lost and take it out of here. We were still over $50 in profit. So very good overall there. Now we sold that, so we can go back into profit there. The other thing that I'm going to do is, since this is out of range, out of funds on Floki, and I'm just holding Floki, I am not going to run this grid right now. So we're going to close this off, and just to get it out of here. It's been 1 month and 4 days. And what we're going to do is just cancel all open orders. We're not actually going to sell it, so we'll just cancel the open orders and confirm. And that takes it out of there. Okay, Elon will leave for now. It is, let's see how active it actually is. What I'm thinking about doing is actually closing Elon out and starting these back up again. We have new grid options. So that's another thing that I wanted to start here is the new grid option. So we might actually close this out. It's $221. We're going to close it out. It's been a month. So we're not going to sell it. We're just canceling the open orders. We are going to leave our Shiba running. Let's let this thing do its thing here for a minute. Okay, so the Elon bot is canceled. Success. Okay, very good. Overall, there we go. So that kind of cleans up our testing here. Now, AVAX has been ripping on the long, and so I think that we're going to test with AVAX long. And I wanted to show you guys, so we'll start this together now. And I am going to show you. There's some new settings that we have in Bitsgap here. So we're going to go to AVAX 3L. We're going to do this with $100, and we will trail up. But actually first, what I want to do before any of that, I want to show you guys this. When we hit start a new bot, we have some new options here, and this is super, super cool. So we go to grid bot, which is what we're going to start. Now we have the flat, buy the dip, and custom. Earn USDT on every small price fluctuation. So that's what we're going to do here. And AVAX 3L, okay, so we're going to change that to 100. Now the trading frequencies have changed. So trading frequency is the expected activity on the price step between orders. So fast is 0.3%, average is 1%, and slow is 3%. So we're going to leave it at average. You have added protection, so you can take your take profit or stop loss. We're not going to worry about that now because just we're doing a follow along, so there's no reason. So we are going to do $100 in AVAX 3L. And we will back test this. This says a 10% over the 30 days. Now, what happens if we go slow? %. What was the average again? 10%. And what about fast? Only 4%. Okay, so we'll go slow. We'll hit the slow, which is around 3%, the around 3% mark, and we're just going to let it do its thing. We're only doing $100 worth, but I do think that it's going to have a run here. So, wow, look at the short is up 44%. Wow. Let's just test the short on $100. Leave it at slow and back test. 18% if we go on the short of AVAX. I think it's going to have a run. I really do. I think that it's going to rip here. We're going to do it. Let's stick with our plan. AVAX 3L. What we'll do is just do $50. Okay? And we're going to do slow. Back test. It says 14% is what we should see. And that's exactly what we're going to do. So we will hit preview the bot. I love these new settings. Very, very simplified, super easy to use. Okay, so $24, confirm. All right, so this is really cool actually. Look, it tells you your balance conversion. So we're gonna sell $25 worth, receive $49. Our current balance is $604. Love the clarity. For clarity's sake, it seems very straightforward. I like what how that's been. Streamlined, looks good. And boom, there it is. So we're set up. This looks a lot cleaner. Very happy with this. We are going to leave our Luna BTC. It's stacking BTC. Now, one thing that I do think might be worth testing out is, and we're going to do it now. Okay, so we have that running. If you go to start new bot, grid bot, buy the dip, earn BTC as it becomes cheaper, and then hodl. This product is an open beta test stage. You can test our new features before they go live. If you're enthusiastic about a Bitsgap user who wants to influence our product and help us improve, you're welcome to welcome to the beta testing team. So we're gonna do this, and we're gonna hit accept. And this is called buy the dip. Now we need a BTC pair. So I'm gonna go with BTC. I'm thinking BTC Solana. Well, actually, what about this? What if we just do BTC USDT? We'll just do $50. And let's see. We'll backtest the average, 6.4%. Backtest the average here, 6.3, and backtest the average on fast, 4%. So we'll leave it at average, and let's backtest. Let's test this new feature out. I think it's going to be cool. So again, buy the dip. Is the GridBot creates multiple stacks of sell orders in the base currency and buy limit orders in the quote currency in order to make profit on small price fluctuations. Cool. All right, we're gonna give it a shot. So preview, we're just doing $50 worth, so it's worth the test. Confirm. The grid's been started. and the bot is started. Okay, so this is all in BTC. So that's what we're gonna do here. We're gonna stack BTC. So awesome. This will be a 30-day test. It's a brand new feature. Super excited about that. The buy the dip bot. And lastly, before I go adding on to this, tomorrow what we're gonna do is I'd like to start a fiat bot on Coinbase. I'm sorry, a flat bot on Coinbase, and we are going to do the Ape coin, Ape USDT or Ape USD. Currently trading is not available on this if it's because it hasn't launched yet. So we're gonna wait until this launches and do our thing. But I think that if we can ride this up, it'll be well worth it. So we're gonna test it out. We'll probably just do $100 as soon as it becomes available. That'll be in tomorrow's video. But at least we got these things cleaned up, and I'll update you guys tomorrow on where we're at with everything. Thanks again.